Beauties, welcome back to yet another interesting video. Today's video we're going to review and swatch the e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Foundation. This is a newly launched foundation from e.l.f. Cosmetics. I'm going to do a wear test, a transproof test and a waterproof test towards the end of the video. So stay tuned for that. If you're new to my channel, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Also press that bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video on my channel. With that being said, let's quickly get into the video. This foundation was launched already in the US and the other countries, but it is recently launched in India and it is available in Nykaa. I don't know if it's available in Tira, but I purchased this from Nykaa during the Nykaa Pink sale. I got it at a very good discount during the buy one get one offer. Originally, this foundation is available at a price of 1050 rupees, but I got it at a 50% discounted price, which was a steal deal for me. This foundation has a total of 30 shades, guys. It's a very good shade range and they have very good shades for deep and medium skin tone, which is absolutely amazing. So you get 30 ml of product, which is what you usually get in other brands. This foundation has an expiry of 5 years, which is an absolutely amazing thing because you can just use it till 5 years, guys, which is a really good thing. Usually you get just 3 years of expiry with other foundations, but this has 5 years of expiry. This is how the outer packaging of the foundation looks like. It's a very nice, pretty, sleek, travel friendly packaging. The packaging looks very light. You can travel with it very conveniently. It is not a heavy glass bottle that you have to fear that it would break while you're traveling and all that. I totally love the packaging. It's very luxe looking and very simple, elegant packaging. And here you see all the details of the foundation mentioned. It has a nozzle opening through which you can dispense the foundation. This is so convenient for dispensing the product because it doesn't dispense excess product. It dispenses the right amount of product that is required for your application. The shade that I picked is 30 medium warm. I was going through a lot of videos posted by the YouTubers from abroad and I somehow zeroed in on this shade and I'm so happy that I picked this shade, guys. It's a perfect shade match for my skin tone. I totally love how it matches my skin. It is a very good match. What the brand claims is this is a long-lasting foundation that delivers medium buildable coverage and a satin finish. It has a breathable formula. It doesn't look or feel cakey. It is infused with 1% hydrating hibiscus extract and other fruit extracts. It doesn't clog your pores. It feels good, no caking, no heaviness, and it provides a smooth satin finish. That is what the brand is claiming. The shade that I picked is 30 warm medium. It is an absolute match for those who have NC40 and below. I do not recommend this shade if you are NC40 and above because it can pull out a tad bit lighter for you. I squeezed the foundation on my hands and the feel and touch of the foundation felt very light, and the feel of the foundation is also very silky, satiny, smooth to feel. And when I applied it on my face, it blended so nicely with the help of a makeup brush. I couldn't feel like I have to put a little bit of pressure or it is sticking to my face or anything like that. It was blending very nicely. It was looking like a medium coverage foundation when I first applied it on my face. Then I tried to build it up with some more foundation and it was still looking very good when I built it up. It wasn't looking cakey, it wasn't looking patchy, it was not looking heavy. When I built it up with more foundation, it was still looking very flawless and satiny smooth.
Just the coverage of this foundation, I just applied a little bit around the corners of my mouth where there was a little bit of pigmentation. It did cover them and there was no need of any concealer or color correction for hiding the dark spots and the pigmentation while using this foundation. Just that you have to use a little bit extra wherever you have those pigmentation and dark spots, and that will do the job, guys. It's going to give you that full coverage.
The good part about this foundation is it has 1% hydrating hibiscus extracts and fruit extracts, which is going to really be hydrating on the skin and nourishing on the skin. If you are someone who have acne prone skin, you're going to love this foundation because it doesn't clog your pores. And the brand also says that it removed all the ingredients which are banned by the FDA and the US European regulation for cosmetic products. It also went ahead and removed more than what is prescribed by these regulating agencies so that the foundation doesn't have any harmful ingredients that affects your skin. I applied the foundation with the help of a brush. It applied very evenly, very smoothly. There was no dragging or anything. It was applying so soft and nice. I think this is going to work beautifully with the help of a sponge, and also it is easy to apply with the help of your hands as well. I feel like the consistency of this foundation is more like a skin tint. It is very thin in consistency and it is spreading very nicely even with the help of your fingers. So I don't think you need any tool to apply this foundation. You can just use your hands and apply this. And if you have a brush and if you apply it with a brush, it is going to work very beautifully. I have applied this foundation. It's been 3 hours that I applied this foundation and I don't feel like I have applied any foundation on my face. That is what I love, guys. That is what I look for in any foundation, because I don't like to feel like something is on my face, like some heaviness on my face, some stickiness and some oily feeling. That is what I hate about any foundation. But this foundation definitely feels so lightweight and airy. I don't feel like I've applied anything on my face. It's very breathable, as they say. Definitely breathable. It is keeping me very comfortable on my skin with the makeup on. To test the oxidation of this foundation, I have initially swatched this and I have swatched this now, and you can clearly see that there is a very slight oxidation. I don't see any oxidation that much. Very slight tad bit of oxidation is there. That is very minimal. I think in recent days, whatever foundation I have tried, it oxidizes a lot, but this foundation oxidizes very less, which is a very good thing, because you pick one foundation shade and then it gets a deeper shade which is going to not suit you. But in this case, it's not like that. You can pick any shade and it is not going to change a lot, guys. I can see very good transfer, guys. It is not transfer proof, definitely. Let's use a tissue and check it. It does transfer, guys. It does transfer very little, but yeah, there is transfer. Let's check if this foundation is waterproof. I'm going to spritz some water on my face. Just on this side. I don't want to spritz all over, but you can see that the water is there. Just going to dab it with a tissue. Oh my god, that is, definitely it is not waterproof. I can see all the foundation on my tissue. As far as my first impressions are concerned, I am totally loving this foundation. The shade is a perfect match. It oxidizes a little bit, but it is like matching my skin tone right now very well. And without makeup or with makeup, like the eyeshadow and other things, it is going to definitely look beautiful. You can even use it as a skin tint and apply this on an everyday basis for your office and college. It's still going to look good. Just pick the shade mindfully, and that is a very important thing in this foundation, I think, before you select your shade, so that it will not be a mismatch for your skin tone. So I totally love the foundation, guys. I'm so happy that I bought this, and that too at 50% off. Definitely a very good purchase in this Nykaa Pink sale. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video and this video was helpful. If you are looking for purchasing this e.l.f. foundation, you can definitely consider buying this.